Django REST, serializer field that isn't a model field. I have two models, and matching serializers. When the book has been read, it's stored in the REDB database. When the user retrieves the books using the book model/serializer, I want a field telling me if that particular user has read the book. I.e., I would like to add a field to the model book, pseudocode. So I need to check if a record exists in the REDB database and then display true or false if so. Thanks.
The takeaway is that in a serializer method of your book model, you have access to context, which provides context request, .user and of which represents the book object. I will assume your REDB has an FK to book, otherwise it's not clear how you link them together. Let's make a book serializer. That field will contain either true or false, as booleans, which will be translated to your REST format, for example JSON, or you can return true and false strings just as easily. Now use it in your view set, for example.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.